Hello, today I tell you about how to add task in SUS Print. So first of all, go to the add task menu. After clicking on that, an interface like that appears. So click on add task. The next page appears. So right here the first part is perform platform heading. So in platform heading you can write sign up. You can write the job description. So sign up. After that, in the next column you can paste the link of the job, and right here in task description you can write simply sign up through that link. So I paste the link. So the next part is what should implementer write in report. So in that column you can write the person to ask task about. So proofs like send screenshots after signing up. That platform and send username. So the implementer send you the username and screenshot after signing up, so you see and okay the job. So the next category is task category. Right here I select registration only because this is the registration task. If you are giving the YouTube task or Instagram task or VK task or Facebook or any kind of task, you can select the category right from here. So I select the registration category. The next portion is implementers reward. So I am giving here 0.05 reward because this is just a sign up task. So it depends on your task, so you can increase the implementer rewards also. So the repeat implementation, I click on one user one implementation because this is sign up task. If you are giving the YouTube task or any other kind of task, you can also select the after 1 hour, after something as you like. So I click on one user one implementation. The next portion is maximum time span for task implementation. You can click here. I click here 2 hours because this is just a simple sign up task. Okay, so right here maximum period for checking reports, I click here 2 days. In 2 days I check the report and give the okay the task. So right after that, one time check your task. If anything missing, put into it and then click on post. After clicking on post, click the gear icon right here. So now the task is submitted to the administration of this website. After the approval of admin, they launch the task and people implement the task. So if you have any questions, then you can easily ask me. Thank you very much.